Yes, maybe that could happen only in after the yoga class. It could be like capital as well.
Because of
The
someone
laugh
else.
is very
Therefore,
loudly.
when I come to laugh in capital, they
All
won't
this
like
understand.
that.
started
It should
from
come
So
directly
so
from
let
the
us talk
belly.
talk about
Laugh
from the
very loud.
individual
Do
point
not
of view.
control anything.
And
Just
also an
and
inability.
so
When I am doing thought analysis,
and
for
I
me,
think
I
you
would
would
agree
agree
in
in
our
our
culture,
culture,
especially for
especially
females,
what I was also
whenever they
going
have
like
to
this,
laugh,
and then
what
that's
I
when
know for me
they are
was
told
that
to
read this
I
and
do
I
not have a very good network.
So when you don't laugh loudly,
Now, as you know that I left my
Generally,
company
females
for
find
corporate job.
networking
I
yoga be a tough
stopped
task.
doing my husband said, "Yeah, I would not. I should not
Because
left
of
my
our
job.
belly
You
laugh,
will have
that
that
where
belly
we have
laugh.
to be movement in the belly area, that we find it something that can happen only in laughter yoga session, because there we provide a safe environment
And
to the
that's what
people
I will say.
where they
Mine
can
also.
laugh from their
And
belly,
both said
they
we
can
have
laugh from their heart.
one of our strength is
And
connecting
the
to
main
others.
important thing
I
is
have
generally laughter
connections,
yoga
but
session.
I'm not able to
We don't
leverage
practice
it.
talking,
I'm not
we
able
don't
to
need
go and
everybody to
ask
laugh.
something
We
from
just
them.
laugh.
So that is one of
And
my
they always
weaknesses.
laugh. That's enough. I feel that,
not because
and
they
I
are
believe
happy.
that
We
knowing
are
your
happy
weakness
because
is
we
your
laugh
biggest strength.
or their weak.
So that is the basic theory of
we
it.
know that
When
this
it
is our
comes to
weakness,
we will
So are you all
definitely
ready to experience a little bit of laughter yoga session?
let's do it.
I would request all the next start doing it with me. Follow me. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to laugh opportunity. Just clap as you have to sit down with it. This is a normal clap, right? It is not going to
They
be
tend to say
what are the opportunities in front of us?
Clap in laughter
Opportunities
yoga.
where you have to touch all the hips.
that is
And
not
your palm.
every
So
time
it has to be like this. So that can be an opportunity.
Then you have to
Or
clap.
opportunity can be you identify
Why we
a
do
new
like this?
product,
Because this
a
helps
new
to
innovation,
all the points
or
on your
a new
head.
idea.
What we'll do is,
Business idea.
one,
Any one connection in the industry or with the client.
Opportunities which a company can think of, which can help
So let us do
that
it together.
company to grow in
Hands
future.
outside. No one else is
So this was from an organization
the job as
Hold
they
it.
are.
But again, it is one left hand.
Many people feel that COVID has led to a fallback in their professional life. But I will say that I found a great opportunity during these times, and that was being online.
To have such
And this is how we started our sitcom as well, right? So,
first of all acknowledge
in COVID also, there are many opportunities. People, those who have recognized those opportunities, they are able to leverage them. Now, because of everything being
I'm not
online,
going to tell you to
everything being
stop,
virtual,
right? Because when we
life
are
has
talking,
become
we
quite
want you
easy
to
for
be
us in
momentum.
terms of how we are available anytime, anywhere, anywhere. Scope of our services have increased. During this period, I have conducted sessions which where people have attended from Delhi, from Mysore, from Mumbai, from Pune.
long
Viewers, I had to see comments from viewers who are from Dubai, who
Again,
are
I
sitting
would
in
say,
US.
really want
So
to
we
do
have
a
those
yoga session.
opportunities
I would
also,
highly recommend you
international
to
have
contact
an
us.
open dialogue
Right.
rather
And
than
So
harboring
we have to keep on exploring the
apart from
opportunities
that,
that
you can't
can
do
help us
laughter
to
on a
grow.
regular basis. There is one thing that you
Moving
must
on
follow,
to the
and that
next
is
one, that is
T.
T.
do we need
T.
sense
T
of
stand
humor to
for
laugh?
threat.
continuously
SWOT.
overthink
S, the
pressure.
move strength,
People
weakness is
feel that
internal,
I don't
and
have a good sense of
OD
humor.
is
I cannot laugh.
external.
Who is
Opportunities
that
and threats
person who
are
laughs at
external.
someone?
So
Sees
threat.
any guesses?
So who are our
Children.
emerging
And,
competitors?
there is
With
laugh
respect to the
lot of,
companies, who are their
and there are
competitors?
few things
kids
which
have
can
a
The
very good sense of
changing
humor.
conditions,
who don't
outside
have a
conditions,
sense of humor,
whether
they
it is
laugh because
economic,
they want
whether
to
it is
laugh.
social, whether it is
So that is the
political.
same
So
strategy
those are
we follow in laughter
the
yoga.
conditions
We
which are
encourage
affecting the
people to
business.
have this
Failure
childlike
is a
Organization
learning
have to keep on
opportunity.
assessing
Correct.
what are the
Reframe
threats to the
failure as a
business. So
learning
that is,
opportunity.
I think,
Look at
that is a
failure
part of
and learn
risk
from them.
assessment as
Go
well,
ahead. So
where you have
what are the
the
lessons
risk
to
to
this
the
question?
business, any
You should
new
look out the
technology, any
lessons
new
which
innovation in the
produces
market.
collect from your
Like
failure.
very
And
simple
when you
example,
consider
when
that when you
if
are
you remember, we used to have lasers in our hands
please
during
remember,
our
be
school
kind
times,
to
right?
yourself.
So the major threat to the
laughter,
major companies
you are
was the
definitely
invention of the
your
mobile
Give
phone.
that liberty to
try doing
yourself.
this next time
So
when you
company have to
feel you are
continuously
filled
assess
with the tension.
the threat
Yeah.
So
in
much
the external
overthinking, it is
environment.
not your
That will
Forgive
help
yourself.
to
Many times
have
we
from
better
your belly.
how can I
strategy
make a
for
mistake?
the
How can
future.
I do
And that
this?
will definitely
Now, how we
help
can
to
use this SWOT
diffuse your
First,
negative
we need to
emotions and
attempt
result
to
in
match
breaking
our
free from
strengths
Forget
with
to
our
reward
opportunities.
yourself. There are lots of
And
benefits
we
also
then
which comes
need
along
to
with this laughter
convert
yoga. We
our
can break free from the
weaknesses
stress.
into
And if
our
we are
strength.
relieving the stress,
Right.
do this
To
I will
act
be
on our
definitely
strengths.
improve our
Let's take our
productivity.
sitcom
And when
example
break
only.
free
The
from
full
stress,
of
ultimately our
Don't
creativity also
always
increases.
we just spoke
And
about
we
that our
are
weaknesses
heading
you
to
are
the
not
peak
able to
performance.
explore
plays a role in
Because when we
network.
laugh,
Same with
laugh
me.
season not
Now
to
what
lie
we
to
are
our
doing,
body. That is,
that
people
weakness we are
generally
trying to
ask me,
convert
there
into
is always a glow
strength
on your face.
through
What
this
will I apply whenever
medium,
I say I
sitcom.
only apply smile
So
on my
our strength is that we are able to
And you
connect
know,
with people,
Poonam,
and
when
we
you
are
laugh,
using this
maximum
strength
muscles
to
of
create
your
more
facial
opportunities for us by making our presence in the market.
Yeah.
Let us end our session today with a
Being
laughter.
online and increasing the visibility, and again with a noble cause to help as many people as we can. Now again our weakness is that we are not good in network, but our strength is that we have very good communication skill. We easily connect
Very
anyone.
good.
So we did a SWOT analysis. We identified the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and then we started using
People who
SWOT
laugh
to
together,
help
laugh
us
together.
to
Look at
explore
both of
further,
us.
to
We
use our
laugh
strengths
together
to
and we
create
are such a
opportunities
good
for us,
friends also.
and to
Right.
use
And
our
when we laugh
weaknesses
together,
to
we develop
convert
that informal
them to
relationship.
our
Correct.
strengths.
That
So we
definitely
always
helps
start
to
with
have a
something
better
positive.
connection.
So we are starting with the strengths, and
So
then moving
with
on to
this,
the weaknesses.
I would like to thank all
And then
our
on the
viewers.
basis of your strengths,
And,
what are the
thank
opportunities
you for
that are
sharing your
available to
feedback
you or
on
that you can
Sitcon,
create for
and
yourself?
I'm so happy to
And then again, depending
share
on
that
your
people
weaknesses, you
are
have to assess
acknowledging
what
our
are the
efforts.
efforts. So
and
once
they are
we are
giving
able to
very
assess it,
positive
we will be
feedback.
able to plan
Thank you
better
so much
for our
for
future.
all your
Correct.
appreciation.
Right.
Hopefully, we
Yes,
will
and I would
continue
say
doing
our
it and
viewers,
we'll
our
continue
audience is our
reaching to your
strength.
expectations.
And the more
And
they
there is
respond,
one
the
request,
more
if
we
you
get
if you
encouraged
like our
to
show,
do more
I
and
would
more
request if
episodes.
you can
So please
share
be
it
our
and
strength
please
and
like
encourage
it
us
and
to do
comment,
more and
because
more
that
to
actually
help
encourages
people
us.
and by sharing
Please
our
don't
knowledge and
forget to
experience.
comment on our videos.
Knowledge, learnings, and
Thank you
experiences.
so much for
Yes,
watching
thank you
our
so
show.
So with this, let us wind up
Till we meet
our
next,
today's show.
keep
Till we
smiling
meet next, keep smiling
and
and take care.
Take care.
Better close the door though. This door and both. Hmm. When this door also better. No, I'll come in 15 minutes, but
I want to show you.
I'll come in 10 sometime. Better close the door.
Okay, what are you doing?
I have a call.
কেন? Go in that bathroom now. Go in that bathroom.
Hi, welcome all to our show Sitcom with Poonam and Shreya. I'm Dr. Shreya Govind. She is Poonam. You all must be wondering, where were we since last 1 month? There were no talk shows happening. Why? The reason behind it, which is very, very common, everyone is going through it, the COVID. Our warrior, our queen, who is sitting next to me, she has defeated COVID and she is here. That is the reason we were not doing any of the episodes. Today, we are going to share our experience about this COVID with all of you. So, Poonam, could you please share your experience?
Yeah, thank you, Shreya, for introducing me as a COVID warrior. Last 1 month have been really very different in terms of I would say the disease is actually, it weakens you so much that not only physically but even mentally and emotionally you get affected. And I was detected COVID positive on 15th of April. Initially, I was not showing any symptoms, so I felt as if my report is wrong and I should get retest. But then I thought, let it be. Let me continue, because I would have been in isolation with my family, because my husband, my elder daughter, my father-in-law, mother-in-law, they all were tested positive, except for my younger one, who is 6 years old. So luckily, I was in my hometown, because during vacation we are generally in Delhi. So it was easy for me to manage because family was around. So I sent my younger one to my sister-in-law's house, because they all were not showing any symptom as such. So that was the only place where I could send her, because even my parents' place, they were also showing symptoms, and later they were also detected positive. So this is how we started. It was really difficult for me, because my younger one have never lived alone without me, especially never slept alone in nights. And I had to make many stories to send her. And yes, it was difficult for her too. But I thank God that I was with my family who were positive, because what I felt later was, if I would have been detected negative, there would have been no one to take care of my family, because I would not have been with them at that point of time when they needed me the most. So maybe that was God's plan, that I should be tested positive. And after 2-3 days, I also started showing symptoms. And symptoms in terms of, initially I started with fever, and fever which started from 99 and then it went up to 102. And then cough, and which is still persisting. And weakness, yes, weakness was so much that I was not able to get up from my bed even. And that is the reason, for the first time in my life, I opted for tiffin service, and 2 times meal we were getting from outside. And my sister-in-law's family, they were also very supportive, and they were also providing food till the time they also tested positive. So later they also tested positive, and because of that, my younger one also got tested, but she was negative. So now between 2 positives, we were to decide where she will live. So ultimately, obviously, we thought of calling her back. So here we live in a home where we have 2 stories. So in the middle story we were living, and on the second story, we shifted my younger one, got the entire floor sanitized first. Then we called her back, and she was living there full day alone. I was talking to her on video calls. And food also, I told her that Mama will not come on the floor. I will call you, and you have to come down to the point where I will keep the food, and you just take it. So this is how we survived for next 3-4 days. But by that time, it was almost 10th day when we called her. So my symptoms were also down. And generally, they say that after 10th day, the chances of passing on infection are reduced. But still, during night, I used to go up. But this is how we managed. But yes, it was really a tough time in terms of... And it's not only that you are suffering because of a disease. It is also suffering because of the management. The person who is positive have to be isolated. Now, what about those who are negative? Difficult. The weakness was too much. So the only thing that we consulted doctor on time. We did not self-medicate, especially because my father-in-law, he is a heart patient and diabetic too. So we thought let us consult doctor, and doctor started us with the antiviral medicine, Febiflu. And yes, it was a struggle to find the medicines initially because no chemist was having the stock. So full day it was tension from where I can get the medicine. I searched my entire phone book. Is there anyone from whom I can get help? Then I recall that one of my friend's husband is a wholesaler, and that is how we contacted him. And luckily he was having a stock, but he said within an hour, if you can come, I can provide, because we cannot keep this medicine with us. But yes, positive mindset definitely helped us to sail through.
Yeah. So in positive state, you have to be positive mindset also.
Seriously,
Mm.
right. So
Mm.
even if you are tested positive, you should not be mentally negative.
Negative.
You have to be
Mm.
mentally also positive. You have to keep your attitude also positive. So this
Yeah.
positive will definitely help you to sail through.
So one big lesson from Poonam is be positive in your positive state also. So always be
Right.
positive. That's very, very
Right.
important.
Yes, especially when you are tested positive, please be
Mm.
positive. Remain
Yeah.
positive. Don't be negative at all in your life.
Right.
You have to
Correct.
stay positive during that time. Positive
Mm.
means positive mindset also, not only
Positive
physically but mentally and emotionally as well. That
That
definitely
will
helps
only
you.
help.
Right,
Yeah. That will only help you sail through, because
right,
so much negativity around us. Every time, if you switch on TV, you will only hear negative news. Take out
Right.
a newspaper, negative news. So it is very, very important for all of us to have that positive mindset. And this disease, I will say, is a fight between negative and positive.
right.
If we are negative, we will go down. Our energy will go down. But if, yes, this disease drain us lot of energy, mentally as well as physically. So that is where you have to keep your spirit very, very high. Keep yourself positive. I have seen this situation of hospital thing, how difficult it was. I mean, I have not experienced, but one of my very, very close person whom I'm very close to, I saw the experience of getting hospital. See, I'm sure everyone is aware how difficult it is to get the hospital beds. Delhi, Bangalore, everywhere it is same. Hospital bed, oxygen, all these things, so difficult. I got to know, meaning me and my husband, both of us got to know that this person needs hospital. We were frantically calling each number. Someone is forwarding this number, we were calling. So from 6 o'clock in the evening till 4 o'clock in the night, it was already morning, we were calling continuously to some other number. BBMP was the only one there controlling the allocation of beds. Every 1 hour, they used to call after, they used to say, call after 1 hour, we used to call. In between, we were calling other people to check help, to check about oxygen cylinder. Frantically, there was no door we did not knock during that day. So it was like, we did not got it, but we were just escaped from it. My maid, she tested positive, but thankfully none of us got it. We were saved. And I will say to all of you who are watching our show that why we got saved. It was only because my maid, he used to wear mask. He used to wear mask all the time. Taking precautions, that will only help you. And in this positive, what Poonam has gone through, she has very different experience. From how you have to overcome this, I want Poonam you to please share that what all different things you did. Because keeping a positive mindset, yes, we are talking about positive mindset, but what exactly you did, if you can share with everyone.
Yeah. So to start with, as I mentioned, we consulted a doctor, and we don't believe in self-medication per se, because this is a disease which, when goes out of control, it becomes totally out of control.
Correct.
You cannot predict to which extent you can go to. This disease can take you to. So from starting only, we consulted a doctor, and he do follow the doctor. We used to update our doctor regularly on the symptoms that we were showing. We used to measure our SpO2 level regularly after each 3 hours, especially for my in-laws, because they are senior citizens, 60 plus. So we used to monitor them, and then fever also. Our doctor suggested that please make note of all the parameters what you are recording during the day, when the fever was high, and after how many hours it went down, and so on. So we maintained a record also that at this AM it was this, at this AM it was this. But even after negative reports, I'm still having that weakness and lethargy. Whenever I have to work continuously, I feel that energy is drained so fast in me now that I'm not able to continue. Maybe it will take some time, another 1 month or so. So I have accepted my situation, and I'm not trying to struggle with it. I know I cannot work continuously for more than 1 or 2 hours, so I'm not working. I take a break of 1 or 2 hours after each hour of working. So that is how I am managing. And in regard to taking something extra, I would say, because at that point of time, we were not even feeling like eating anything. So having food on time is essential, and enough of water. I used to drink a lot of water, and hot water, warm water, whatever you can have. Water will definitely help to reduce the heat in the body, and also to eliminate all the toxins in the body. And rest always helped me, enough of rest. As much rest as you can, that definitely helps to heal body. And self-healing is something, I am a believer of self-healing, which I taught to my kids as well. And we can definitely take a separate session for self-healing. Self-healing definitely helped me to recover fast, because in self-healing, generally we say that our body is capable to recover itself. Whenever we have a small cut on our hand, right, we don't apply any medicine even, and after 2-3 days you see the cut is gone. So the body has healed itself. We are not giving any medication, we are not doing anything, but still the cut is healed. So our body has that capability to heal itself. The only thing is we sometimes have to help our body to memorize it, to remember that this is something, when you are perfect, you do this. So please be perfect now. This is how you perform when you are perfect. So that is a concept of self-healing. So I used to close my eyes, I used to meditate, I used to do pranayams as well. And during that process, I used to tell to my body, all is well, we are performing very good, you are perfect, nothing is wrong.
And as you said, that visualization about that, our mind, our brain does not know whether we are faking it or we are actually there. So when you start visualizing that, yes, you are there. For example, when we visualize, oh, I'm at a beach location, I'm at a hills location, our brain starts working in that way only. Same thing in this situation only. When you start telling your brain, you start thinking, telling your brain that I am fit. Same message the brain gives to your body, that yes, you are strong, you are going to be fit. And that's how it will work. That's what it is about. Correct, Poonam?
Right. So what you
it is
believe, you become.
Yeah, what you believe, that's what you become. So it is very, very important for you to believe that you are strong, have a positive mindset. That's what everyone is talking about. Have positive mindset.
Right.
Do not think negative about it. If you think, you'll bring negative things.
Right.
So we are doing these days, I'll say not we, not neither you nor I am doing, but many of us are doing. We get a WhatsApp message, in the 100 numbers or 20 numbers are there for these beds allocation or oxygen. We generally forward it without looking at it, without verifying it. So what I am doing these days, so when I was into this situation, I used to speak to all 10 cross. If someone is not responding, switch off. No, I do not have anything, something like that. We do not give. I strike off those numbers and then forward those numbers to someone else. So I used to maintain record on the Excel sheet. Now also I have those records. So now people are asking, I'm using those verified details that this is the person who can help. So every time, whenever you have to forward, please do not send it just like that. Use, verify it and then do it. It will save someone's precious time. Someone is looking for a bed desperately, someone is looking for oxygen desperately, and they will dial 10 numbers and it will waste their time.
People are there to help, and I really feel good to see those people who are offering help in terms of, recently only I got to know that there is one NGO who are offering help to people whose kids are at home and parents are in hospital. So they are taking care of the kids. So there are different ways people are coming up to help others. So do help others, be kind. Yeah, be kind when you have recovered, or even if when you are struggling, try to help others in any way you can. That will definitely help us to evolve. So I feel this is a stage where human generation is going to evolve a lot in terms
Correct.
of being kind, in terms of being positive, in terms of being grateful.
Yes. So this COVID will teach us that importance of our immunity, importance of keeping ourselves positive and having a positive mindset, helping each other. So many people are coming forward whom we don't know. They are helping us.
Right.
So this is bringing us closer. Yes, with this disease, no one can come close physically, but these things we are coming closer. Our chain is
Right.
coming closer, becoming more tight. So this way we should look at it. We should not look at all the negative things of this COVID. We should look at what are the positive things we are getting it. I think now we should end our episode. We
Right.
have shared our experience. So thank you so much everyone for tuning in and waiting for us. We were getting messages why you are not doing your shows. So this was the reason we were not doing our show. And now on, hopefully we will be doing it regularly. So thank you for all your support and feedback. We look forward to it and we really like your feedbacks and comments. So thank you.
Till we meet next, keep smiling and take care.